If you've got old shirts sitting in your closet that you don't wear anymore, don't get rid of them, because today we're turning them into something completely fresh and wearable again. In this video, I'm sharing 50 plus upcycling shirt ideas that focus specifically on transforming old or plain shirts into new shirt designs, giving you inspiration for refits, restyles, redesigns, and creative alterations that make your clothing feel brand new without starting from scratch. From oversized tees turned into fitted tops to button-ups redesigned with new cuts, sleeves, shapes, and details, you're going to see just how many ways a basic shirt can be completely reinvented with a little creativity and sewing inspiration. Each idea on screen is meant to help you visualize what's possible with clothes you already own, so you can save money, reduce waste, and build a wardrobe that actually feels like you. If you see a design you love, make sure to check out the Pinterest board linked in the description, where you can browse each idea more closely and in some cases find patterns or additional information to help you recreate or adapt the look. This is all about taking what you already have and turning it into something you're excited to wear again. So as you watch, think about the shirts in your own closet that could use a second life. You might be surprised at what can be transformed with just a few simple changes. Let me know in the comments which shirt idea was your favorite. And don't forget to like the video. Subscribe to the channel and stick around for more sewing and upcycling inspiration. Let's jump into these shirt transformations. One of the most exciting parts of upcycling shirts is realizing just how many different ways you can completely transform something you already own into something that feels brand new without needing to buy a whole new wardrobe. When you look at an old shirt, whether it's oversized, plain, slightly outdated, or just something that never gets worn anymore, you're actually looking at a blank canvas full of potential. Small design changes like reshaping the fit, adjusting the sleeves, cropping the length, adding darts, changing the neckline, or reworking the hemline can completely change the personality of a shirt and make it feel like a totally different piece. Even simple adjustments like taking in the sides or refining the shoulder line can turn something boxy into something flattering and modern. As you go through today's ideas, pay attention not just to the final look, but to the construction details behind it, because that's where the real learning happens and where your sewing skills really grow. Notice how seams are altered, how fabric is redistributed, and how structure is created or removed to achieve a new silhouette. Upcycling is also one of the best ways to build confidence because you're working with clothing you already own. Which removes the pressure of ruining something expensive or new. It gives you the freedom to experiment, try new techniques, and even make mistakes that become learning moments instead of setbacks. Each shirt you transform teaches you something that carries over into your next project. Whether it's improving stitch accuracy, understanding how different fabrics behave, or learning how small adjustments can completely change style and fit. The more you practice, the more you start to see clothing differently, not as something fixed, but as something flexible and creative that can always be reimagined into something better and more personal. As you continue watching these upcycling shirt ideas, think of each one as a starting point rather than a final rule, because the real magic happens when you begin mixing inspiration with your own creativity. You might take the sleeves from one design, the neckline from another, and the fit adjustment from something completely different, blending them together into a shirt that feels custom made for you. That kind of creative freedom is what makes sewing so rewarding, especially when you're working with pieces you already have at home. If you see an idea that sparks something in your mind, consider saving it so you can come back to it later when you're ready to sew, because inspiration is just as important as the actual making process. And remember, every shirt you upcycle is also a step toward a more sustainable wardrobe, reducing waste while giving new life to clothing that might otherwise be forgotten. If you want to explore any of these ideas further, make sure to check out the Pinterest board linked in the description, where you can browse the designs more closely and sometimes find additional details, tutorials, or pattern references depending on the source. You'll also find tutorial videos in the description that can help you build specific sewing skills used in these transformations, along with related playlists full of more sewing and upcycling inspiration to keep your creativity going. If you're enjoying this collection, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss future ideas. I'd love to hear which shirt transformation was your favorite, so leave a comment and share your thoughts with everyone watching. Thanks so much for spending your time here, and I hope this inspires you to look at your closet in a completely new way. There is a video on the screen to watch next, and I think you're really going to enjoy it. I'll see you there.